So you can see right here in the payments, I've been able to generate $150, $300, $50, $50, $50, $300 over and over again like clockwork. And inside this video, I'm gonna reveal to you an incredibly simple, free copy-paste method you can use, even if you're brand new, even if you don't have a following online, to generate these payments on a daily basis. So if you're excited to learn this step-by-step strategy, be sure to smash the like button right now to let me know. And without any hesitation, let me go ahead and dive right into this strategy. Okay, so as you probably saw in the title, we're gonna be using Fiverr, and we're actually gonna be signing up for Fiverr's free affiliate program so you can start to actually promote these gigs. And don't worry, I'm gonna share with you exactly how to find people to promote to, quick, easy, and literally copy paste. So scroll down once you're on Fiverr to the very bottom, and we wanna look for affiliates here under the community tab. So just go ahead and click that there, and that's gonna take you to this page where we can sign up to become a Fiverr affiliate. So you can just scroll down. Now they have 3 different types of affiliate programs. They have the Fiverr one, which is the basic one, the Fiverr Pro, which is gonna be a little bit more tools, and you can actually get paid a little bit more, and then the Logo Maker, which is more if you wanna specifically promote logos. But for this, what I recommend you do is you scroll down. Now again, you can see the different payout plans for each of them. I'm gonna recommend you sign up with the Pro services. You actually make 70% of the first commission when someone actually buys the first gig, 10% of future orders, especially if the gig is a little bit higher price, is gonna be really good. So just go ahead and click there and you'll get taken to this page here. Now you can read over this, but essentially you just wanna scroll down and you wanna click on Join Fiverr Affiliates, okay? Now, once you're here, you'll get taken to a sign up page. All you have to do is fill out your details, your email address, username, password, account type, okay? So you can say private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say no, choose your country, if you have a Skype ID, and then hit next. Now, very quickly, you'll actually get approved to become a Fiverr affiliate, okay? So once you do, you wanna click Start Doing, and you'll actually get taken to your back office inside of the Fiverr affiliate program. Now, we want to click on Default and Deep Links, okay? Because what this will allow us to do is, number one, you can just promote the basic plan to actually sign up, okay? So if someone goes to this, they'll get taken to a page to actually sign up, okay, or upgrade, to the Fiverr Pro. But what we wanna do is we actually wanna go here where it says Deep Link, because we wanna create a specific link that goes to a specific gig. So if someone actually goes to this link, they will be able to purchase a specific gig, and when they do, we will earn that commission. Now this step right here is very powerful, but in the next segment, I'm gonna explain a simple trick that it can enhance your promotional efforts overnight. So we want to go to the main page on Fiverr, and what you want to understand is we're going to be promoting to people that have brick and mortar businesses. These mean businesses that are not typically online. Things like plumbers, electricians, restaurants, things like that, okay? Because those people typically are struggling when it comes to social media marketing, when it comes to creating logos, creating YouTube videos, okay? So these are gonna be the perfect type of businesses we can target. And the other benefit of targeting business owners is typically they're way more likely to invest into their business. So it's gonna be a lot easier to sell. And I'm gonna share with you in a second how to actually find tons of business owners. So we can search for any type of services that they would typically want. You could type in things like social media marketing. You can type things like, logo creation. But what I'm gonna do in this video, if you just wanna copy me, is we're gonna type in Google Ads. Now, once you do that, you're gonna get taken to these results. Now, the reason I target this is because a lot of businesses are struggling when it comes to getting visitors to their website, especially if they're not in typically online business. And Google Ads, if we can find people that will run and set up Google Ads for businesses, they will actually want to do this gig very, very consistently, because a lot of business owners understand that if they can have someone else running these ads and they don't have to be technical, they're gonna get a lot of traffic and a lot more exposure, and we're gonna get tons of commissions as they sign up for these gigs. So now what you wanna do is you wanna actually sort results by best selling. So this is gonna list the best selling gigs at the very top in, again, Google Ads. Now you can see this one right here is actually Facebook, so that's not relevant, but you can see this one here. This is 5 stars, 123 positive ratings, so anything above 20 is pretty good. And this is it starts at $100 price. Okay, so the higher it starts, the more money we'll be able to make because we will actually get paid 70% of the first order. So we want that first gig to be as high as possible. So what I'll do is I'll open up the gig that we choose. And then what you want to do is you want to go to the very top and you want to copy the URL of this person's gig. Now we want to go back to the affiliate dashboard, okay, right here. And where it says deep link, again, the landing page, we will just want to paste in that person's landing page and click save. Now, if you just want to do, the Fiverr marketplace, you can do this one. All of these will take them to that person's gig. But if you do this one right here, they'll also sign up with Fiverr Pro, allowing us to earn the higher commissions. So you can just click copy right here. And this is our affiliate link that we want to keep handy. Now, if I go into a new incognito window right here, so there's no cookies. If you go ahead and go to that link, what happens is it will take people directly to the gig. So again, if they continue and they sign up and purchase this gig, we will earn a commission. So now I want to share with you how you can easily and effortlessly find tons of business owners that would be interested in this gig so we can start making commissions literally with copy and pasting. Now let's uncover the very next step. But a little bit later, I'll even share with you the hidden gem of affiliate marketing that most beginners overlook. So we want to go over to Google, and like I said, you can target restaurant owners, plumbers, electricians. For the sake of this video, I'm going to target plumbers, but you can really target any type of brick and mortar business. Now, I have in a document right here, these formulas right here, if you search them into Google, you will actually be able to find real plumbers' Gmail email addresses if you use this one. Now, if you use this one, you'll find their Yahoo email address. Now, why is this important? Because we're going to be able to literally get tons and tons of email addresses from real plumbers or real electricians. Okay, so if you replace this with electrician or if you replace this with restaurant owner, it will change. Now, you could even do, plumbers in Houston, Texas, or plumbers in wherever you're located, right? Now, let's say this one right here, okay? So all you have to do is copy this, go to Google, type that in, okay? And then just search. And what happens is it will show us all the plumbers' websites or Facebook pages. And you can see right here, okay, this is an email address. This is an email address, right? This is an email address. So what we want to do is we want to actually copy these to a text file. Okay, so if I copy this first one right here, I can open a text file on my computer and just boom. And then I can do this one right here and boom. And I can go through, okay? Now you want to get at least 10 for this method to work really well because it's a numbers game, okay? So we can go through and you can go ahead and do that. And there's pages and pages. You can see here's an email, here's an email. Now, once you have a list of email addresses of plumbers or restaurant owners or electricians or other types, now what you want to do is you want to create a Gmail account that's dedicated just to promoting this type of affiliate offer. So you can actually create a Gmail account. It's free. You just go to gmail.com and you can create one. Now I've created one here. Now the next step is all we have to do is click compose. And then what you can do is you can just paste in these email addresses. Now, rather than just putting it in the two, we want to click BCC and put the email addresses here. This will allow us to send one email going out to everyone at one time, saving you massive amount of effort and time. But if people respond, other people will not see it. If you just send it and people respond, they may see other people's emails, which we don't want. So again, you can just copy them like this, boom, like this. Okay, and then you can do the third one here. And like I said, if you have more, you want to post all of them here. Now, what you want to do is we want to send an email to these people designed to pique their interest about the gig, in this case, Google Ads, and also lead them to wanting to go to our affiliate link and ultimately signing up. Now, right here, I have a sample email, okay? And I will actually include this in the description below. And this basically has a subject line right here, okay? Now the subject line will go in the subject line here. And it says, boost your plumbing business with targeted Google Ad campaigns. Now, again, you want to tailor this for whatever you're promoting. So if you're promoting restaurant owners, you can do that. Boost your electrician business with targeted social media marketing, whatever it is. Now I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go here and the subject, I'm going to put it in there. And then I have a sample email. And it basically says, hi. Now for this, we can just say, hi, my friend, because it's going to be random people each time, but this is going to be a general. I hope this email finds you well. Are you looking to attract more local customers to your plumbing business? Leveraging the power of Google Ads can significantly increase your online visibility and drive more leads directly to you. So this talks about the benefits. I want to introduce you to an incredible service on Fiverr that specializes in setting up and managing Google Ads specifically for plumbers. This expert can help you create targeted ad campaigns, optimize your ads, and manage your budget. So this actually gives you the benefits. Now again, if this is not Google Ads that you're going to be promoting, if you're promoting another gig, tailor it towards your gig, but this structure works incredibly well. And then it says, check out this highly rated gig here. We're going to put our affiliate link there, as I'll show in a second. With professionally managed Google Ads, you can stay ahead of your competition. Don't miss out on the opportunity to boost your business. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Best regards. And then you can either put your name or you can make up like a company name. So we just want to copy this email and we want to paste it into the actual body of the email. Now, check out this highly rated gig here. I would actually erase this and I would copy that and then go to the bottom where it has this little paper clip. Click that. And then we want to actually use this affiliate link here. So copy that, paste it in here so it's going to be highlighted going directly to that gig. And then again, to make it a little bit more professional, you can actually say, best regards, Google Ad Specialist, okay? Something like that, so it sounds professional. And then literally all you have to do, okay, is read over it, make sure it's good, and then just click send. And it is sent, you can see right here, it is sent to those plumbers. It has the catchy headline right here. They're gonna read over this, click here. When they go there, it's gonna go directly to the gig. When they buy, we're gonna get commissions. And you can repeat this over and over and over again, and you can do this in different businesses and also different gigs. Now, before you go, like I said, I highly recommend you click the first link below. Check out my #1 affiliate program. It literally will pay you instant 100% commissions. You don't have to wait a long time to get paid. You don't have to give a portion away to the product creator. You can make the sales and keep all the money using this powerful method. So be sure to subscribe also with the bell icon. I'm going to be posting more videos just like this every single week. Hit the like button if you got value. And until next time, my friend, thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next stream.